If you're seeing the video file cannot be play error in Google Chrome, don't worry, it's usually easy to fix it. First, trying turn off hardware acceleration. Click the three dot in the top right corner of Google Chrome. Go to Settings. Then click System. Find the option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch to restart the browser. This often fixes video playback problem. If the issue is still there, clear your browsing data. Go to Settings, then click Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Select all options like cookies, cache image and history. Change the time range to all time and press Clear Data. This removes older corrupted files that might be causes this error. Another common causes is extension. Click three dot again, go to Extension, then click Manage Extension. Turn off all extension by toggle them off. Some extension can block or interface with videos, so disabling them can solve this issue. After trying this step, restart Chrome and check the video again. In most cases, one of these methods will fix the problem and allow videos to play smoothly. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.